You will be making a standard curve using known bilirubin concentrations. So you should know how this works. Start a new experiment. Don't save any data. Sensor data in the middle. Make sure your colorimeter is turned on, and the little light will start blinking, and then it should pair to your SparkView app. For this, you're going to select a color, not red transmittance. So click out of that and go to violet absorbance at the very top. Then you can select digits, and you should be able now to obtain a reading. We're going to calibrate. So click calibrate and wait for it to do the calibrate button. And then you're simply going to transfer some distilled water into a clear cuvette. Make sure you go up to the mark and you put a lid on it. Knock off any of the air bubbles, just tap it lightly on the table. And then you are going to calibrate or teach the colorimeter what zero light looks like. So hit calibrate on the screen, give it a moment till the green check mark appears, and done. Now you should be able to take your readings of the other known bilirubin samples. So we're going to start with 2.5 milligrams per deciliter serum, and we're going to obtain an absorbance reading for that, and then we will move on to the others. Make sure you place it in, shut the lid completely, hit start, and there is your absorbance reading. All right, you will continue this process using a new cuvette for the 5, the 10, and the 20. Once you have all the absorbance readings, then you will use those readings to set a standard curve. So you have the concentration level on the X and the absorbance reading on the Y for your curve. You will now use the standard curve for your baby's bilirubin sample. So you will use the colorimeter to determine the absorbance and then use the standard curve to figure out the bilirubin serum level.